Zoeshaaa.
Hey guys, it's your favoriteest girl Zoeshaaa, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title and the clothes laid out here behind me, you can obviously tell that we are here today for a haul. Not just any kind of haul, but a fall haul. And I would like to say a fall essential haul because I feel like I picked out pieces that everybody should have in their closet if you deal with the fall season, right? Now, this haul is in collaboration with a company by the name of Dear Lover. So thank you to Dear Lover for collaborating with me and providing me with these pieces that I get to show you guys today. All of their information will be in the description box. All the links to the pieces that I have here that I will be showing you guys today can also be found in the description box as well, along with a discount code so you guys can save some monies while you guys spend some monies, because you know that I'm here to help you guys save while we stay looking cute, okay? If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you already live here and you're returning, don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any time that I upload on this channel. For the times that I am not here, please be sure to follow me on all my other socials. You can find them in the description box. And without further ado, now that we have all the fandangles and everything like that out of the way, let's just jump on right into the video. Today, as I said, I am working with a company by the name of Dear Lover, and they wanted me to try out some clothes from their fall items, or you know, their new releases for their fall season or whatever. And I live in Canada, for those of you who don't know. So currently right now, being it's October, it is fall. It's cold. In Canada we have two seasons, summer and winter. There's nothing in between. So these came right on time for this weather, okay? Now, the pieces that I'm about to show you guys, again, as I said, are pieces that I feel like everybody should have in their closet during the fall season. These work out for me. They work out to either wear out if I want to go out anywhere, or also me having a full-time job. They work out for me to wear as items that I could wear to work as well. So, win-win, I love that. All right, now the first thing that I'm gonna pull out here, just because I only have one of these, are these jeans. As you will see in the video that I'm going to include of me trying these on for you guys, I paired it with one of the shirts that I will get to. But these jeans are like bell foot jeans, right? And they have a little bit of distressing going on here, and I like the back of it as well. As if you can see, it has like a little like stitching on the back of your knees and stuff like that. So yeah, really liked the pants. I was kind of nervous because I don't know, when I'm shopping online, you guys, it's, you guys know it's always a hit or miss. You just never know, especially when you're working with new companies, and you just never know what the quality is gonna be like. I like comfort now. I'm getting older. I like comfort. I don't really care about fashion and trends and whatever the case may be. If it's not comfortable, I don't want it. So I'm very picky with my clothes nowadays. But these actually, when I first was putting them on, they were kind of tight, obviously, because I have to break them in. But other than that, once I started to wear them, they loosed around where they needed to loose around. Because if you see in the video, you'll see it looks like some of the distressed parts is like cutting off my circulation, which it wasn't. But it was the first time I was putting on the pants. The only down to these pants is that it doesn't have any belt holes, belt loops, or whatever. And for me, I need them because of my body shape. Like I need to be able to hold my pants up with a belt. So that's the only thing that I didn't like about the pants, and I don't know if I realized it when I was ordering them or what, but other than that, they fit really, really well, comfortable. I can move in them. I'll probably just go and get them taken in if I don't just take them in myself. And then just because in the video I paired it with this shirt, let me just show this shirt to you guys. This is just a basic button-down shirt, and I don't mean basic in a bad way. I like to have a lot of everyday basic pieces that you can either dress up or dress down. And it's not basic in the sense where, as you can see, one side, like one half is pink, one half is pink, one half is blue. The sleeve on the side that is blue is pink. The sleeve on the side that is pink is blue. I like that, and it has a little like ruffling thing here that's going on in the boostesses. So it's just really, really cute. And as I said, I got items that I can either wear out or wear to work as well. This is work appropriate. you know, like on a Friday for like a little dress down casual day. This with the jeans, absolutely perfect. So I definitely liked that. The next piece I thought was kind of cute and different. You know what I'm saying? I'm a girl. I love my cheetah. I don't know why I'm taking it off the hanger. But yeah, I'm a girl. I love my cheetah, my any kind of animal, not any kind of animal prints, but yeah. Cheetahs, zebra, I'm that girl. I love it, you know? And this is not too kiddie-ish. I don't like kitty animal prints looking type stuff. This was actually cute and it cuts out. So it's a turtleneck, but it shows a little bit of, you know, over here, and it shows a little bit of your, what is this? I was about to say your elbow. Your shoulder bone. See your shoulder, right? Yeah, your shoulder. Yeah, so I liked that aspect of it. It's simple, but there's a little bit of razzle dazzle here and there, you know what I mean? So I absolutely liked that about this. And again, I can wear this to work if I'm gonna go grab lunch with a friend or something. If I just have to run on the road to go do something, I can absolutely just throw this on, be cute, be different, and it's just simple, you know what I mean? Listen guys, fall is cold. Yes, you want to look cute or whatever the case may be, but baby, when you just got stuff to do, you just want to go do it, be warm, do what you gotta do, come back home and just, yeah. All right, the next thing I'm gonna show you guys, okay, I wore this on Thanksgiving, and when I posted my little TikTok videos or whatever, I got so many compliments, so many people were just like, Zoe, oh my god, I like it, just where'd you get it from? Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys now where I got it from. I got it from dearlover.com. People, the color is fall. I absolutely love, when I seen this, I was like, have to have it. I've always wanted like sweater dresses and stuff like that, but every time I would see them, they'd be in some like ugly patterns or ugly materials or whatever, and I'm just like, they would always look granny-ish. This one was because I just had the vision. I wore it off the shoulder, and the neckline is big enough where you could probably, depending on how, you know, your upper part is built, you could probably wear it off of both shoulders, but I wore it off one shoulder. I paired it with my belt bag, and it was chef's kiss. Absolutely loved it. It's thick enough where it will definitely keep you warm regardless of anything. If you don't have like over the knee boots, you could probably wear some tights underneath it, not tights, but like stockings, or even tights underneath it with some other type of boots, or you know what I mean, depending on how you want to dress it up. But I mean, there's so many ways. I'm telling you, there is absolutely so many ways. Like this dress, I absolutely love. This is definitely my most favorite thing from this haul. Absolutely love everything about the dress. Like, there's nothing about the dress that I don't like. And people, when I say it keeps you warm, it keeps you warm. I was sweating in my own house. Okay, yeah. The quality of the dress, bomb. Quality of the sweater, good. Better than what I was expecting. The shirt, it's a little thin, but I guess it's a button-down shirt. It's not really, I guess, supposed to be thick or anything like that. It's just a regular button-down shirt, so yeah. The last piece that I'm going to show you guys is this jacket. I have always been a collector of jackets. I love a jacket. I feel like jackets can never go out of style. They're statement pieces always. You can never run out of jackets, especially when you live in a country like Canada where you have all these seasons, and one day you can go through all seasons. So you're going to need a snow jacket. You're about snow jacket. You're going to need a winter jacket, a spring jacket. You're going to need every kind of possible jacket you could possibly think of. Rain jacket, everything, because we get all 4 seasons in one day. But I seen this jacket and I was just like, I want to try it. I was really nervous because, again, I get nervous when I'm ordering stuff from a company for the first time, just because I don't know what the quality is like, what I'm gonna get, you know, like expectation versus reality. But this, I don't know. Oh, hold on, let me see if the tag will tell me the type of material. It is polyester. Okay, I was like, it feels like polyester, but I'm not 100% sure, you know, but it is definitely polyester, you guys. Let me tell you, this jacket is not thick, but it will make you warm. Like, just me trying it on in the little video that you're gonna see, I was sweating, and it had nothing to do with my lights on, but I absolutely love it because you can either wear it closed, you can wear it open. I just feel like this jacket can be used in so many versatile ways. I absolutely love it. Like, I have this like rich auntie style, you know, where I just take it and I just, you know, throw it over. So do you see the difference? Like, just throwing it over my shoulder. Baby, who's auntie? Chanel, Shireen, Kyra, Jada, Tiaja, and Kashaya's auntie. That's who? Okay. Okay. I love the jacket, people. I love the jacket. I love the smell it of. It came with a smell. I don't know if it's because of how it was packaged or the traveling or what, but other than that, absolutely love the jacket. I love all the pieces. I think this, the dress, and the jeans are my top 3 favorites. These two, I don't hate them or anything, but like these, I feel like I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wears out of them, even though this one I feel like there's only so much times I can wear this, but me, I wear this till the treads start come out. So that is it for the haul, guys. That brings us to the end of this video. Again, if you are interested in any of the pieces that I have shown you guys here today, or you just want to go ahead and check out the company, again, be sure to visit the description box where all the links for all the pieces as well as the company's website will be in the description box. The company not only does, you know, regular shipping or anything like that. If you have a business and you're looking for wholesalers, they help you with that stuff as well. So any questions or anything like that, again, be sure to visit the description box for more details. My other social media links will be there, so if you guys want to stay in touch while I'm not here on YouTube, you guys can do so. I am now on TikTok. Instagram, I am like getting into the reels and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So you guys make sure you guys are staying connected with me when I am not here on YouTube. Again, thank you to Dear Lover for reaching out to me and collaborating with me for this video. I love my pieces and it was a pleasure. Until next time, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that is, whatever that is. Thank you guys again for stopping by today. And yeah,